Most people don't know this, but the best way to make money online is not dropshipping, Amazon FBA, affiliate marketing, or any other oversaturated competitive method like everyone thinks. It might sound crazy or a bit shocking. How is it even possible to make money online without these business models? But I've discovered a brand new way to make a full-time income working from home, and it has nothing to do with anything that you've heard about before. The best part about this method is it doesn't require any startup costs. We even start for free. It doesn't require any prior skills, knowledge, or experience, because we follow a system that once set up becomes pretty automatic. And the reason it works so well is we leverage brand new platforms practically nobody knows about. Let me show you inside of this business here. For example, today I've already brought in $5,000 now. I'll put it on screen for those of you who don't believe me, and I'll show you a few dates so you can see that this isn't just luck. But you can see in this month here I made $70,000, with other months where I was making more than $90,000. But more important are the countless everyday people who use this new way to build real online businesses for themselves, even with busy full-time jobs, as busy students, or full-time parents, young and old, from around the world. So I put together a super short but very detailed free training session that you can attend by clicking the button somewhere around the video. I'm going to be diving deep into this new method that I and countless others have followed to build online businesses. And when you click the button and attend the free training, you're also going to be getting 2 bonuses that we've never given out for free before, and you can get them just by clicking attending the free training. You'll get these bonuses emailed to you very shortly. And listen, if you're skeptical, that's fine, you should be, right? But as you can see, a lot of people follow what I teach and do pretty cool things for themselves, so you at least owe it to yourself to check this out. What have you got to lose? It's free. So the most important thing that you can do right now is click the button somewhere around this video, get instant access to the free training as well as those bonuses. Very few people know about this new method right now, so if you keep ignoring ads like this one, you're going to get left behind. Don't put it off. Click the button, attend the training, and I'll see you on the other side.